try to make every effort to include the latest scientific studies. Please note though that research is constantly changing and one clinical trial cannot always cover diverse bodies and communities.
Individual responses to foods, herbs, supplements, and treatments may vary based on a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, diet, and other lifestyle factors.
Even solid clinical trials and studies tend to have an agenda or underlying bias, and despite the best intentions and efforts of researchers, the scope and purpose of scientific research will always be somewhat limited by factors such as funding, ethics, and logistical constraints. Relying on a single expert or source can be risky, as errors and biases can occur. It's best to verify information from multiple sources before accepting it at face value. Engage in due diligence and critical thinking to ensure that you are making informed decisions. If you wish to deep dive into the topic, you can check on your references posted in the description box below.
According to a comparative study published in 2003, cocoa has more phenolic phytochemicals and a higher antioxidant capacity than teas and red wine. Cocoa butter is made from cocoa beans. It's a creamy fat that is solid at room temperature and melts at body temperature. Cocoa contains several antioxidants called polyphenols. Polyphenols are antioxidant, health-promoting compounds found in plants, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, tea, cocoa, and coffee. Interestingly, cocoa powder has the highest concentration of polyphenols at 72 to 87%, while cocoa butter has as little as 5%. A study titled Cocoa Polyphenols and Their Influence on Parameters Involved in Ex Vivo Skin Restructuring, published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2008, evaluated the influence of cocoa polyphenols on skin elasticity and skin tonus, specifically glycosaminoglycans and collagen 1, 3, and 4. Skin tonus refers to the skin's firmness, while glycosaminoglycans are a type of molecule that helps to maintain skin hydration and elasticity. The researchers used ex vivo human skin explants and applied a cocoa polyphenol extract to assess its impact on skin parameters. Ex vivo human skin explants refer to samples of human skin that are removed from the body, usually during surgery, and maintained in a laboratory environment. The results showed that cocoa polyphenols had a positive effect on the assessed parameters. The study highlighted the enhancing effect of cocoa butter on cocoa polyphenol activity and suggests that cocoa polyphenols may be beneficial for skin health. The results may not accurately represent the conditions of living skin in the body, though. Further research is needed to determine the full extent of the benefits of cocoa polyphenols for the skin.
By the way, before I continue, if you're new here, I'm Jera from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries about everything related to anti-aging, natural health remedies, dogs and cats, and personal development gained from reading research articles, scientific journals, and books written by doctors and experts. If you also have a gluttonous appetite for new knowledge, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new content. Also, you might want to check out my mini ebook, 40 Wrinkle Fighters Other Than Retinol, backed by scientific studies. Just click the link in the description box below for more details.
Moving on, according to the United States Department of Agriculture, 1 tablespoon or 13.6 grams of cocoa butter has 59.7 grams of fatty acids, 1.8 milligrams of vitamin E, and 24.7 micrograms of vitamin K. Cocoa butter contains approximately 60% saturated fat, palmitic, stearic, lauric, and myristic acids, 35% monounsaturated fat, oleic acid, and 1% polyunsaturated fat, linoleic acid. And according to a review published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2011, free fatty acids, cholesterol, and ceramides are important for keeping our skin healthy and preventing problems like dryness and inflammation. Fatty acids are important for creating a strong barrier on the surface of our skin, which helps to protect it from things that could damage it, like germs or harsh weather. This barrier is made up of a layer of dead skin cells and fats, acting like a wall. The fatty acids help to make sure this wall is strong and hard to break through. However, if you have extremely oily, acne-prone skin, applying cocoa butter to your face might not be a good idea, as it is considered mild to moderately comedogenic, which means it can clog your pores. You can still use it on other dry areas of your body. A 2016 scientific review reveals vitamin E has been used in dermatology for over 50 years, and studies suggest that it has properties that can help protect against skin cancer and other harmful effects of the sun's rays. Moreover, vitamin K applied topically has been shown to significantly improve skin wound healing, according to a 2019 randomized controlled trial with 63 participants. Despite my best efforts, I couldn't find any studies that specifically examined the benefits of cocoa butter for the skin, but based on the available scientific research, cocoa butter may be helpful in treating dry skin and restoring the skin's barrier. Some people have shared that a specific hexane-free cocoa butter brand is great for moisturizing. This particular brand of cocoa butter is rated 4.5 stars with 5,781 positive reviews. Click the link in the description box below if you'd like to know more about this product. If you'd like to try it out, you can save up to 10% on your purchase by using my discount code APT0317 at checkout. This code never expires, so feel free to use it anytime you shop on iherb.com. While that cocoa butter product works for some people, please note that there is no scientific evidence that it will work for everyone. Every person's skin reacts differently to products. Therefore, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. Simply apply a small amount of the product on your inner arm and leave it on for 24 to 48 hours to see if you experience any redness, itching, or swelling.
If you've learned something you didn't know before watching this presentation and you appreciate the time I invested in researching, writing, and creating this presentation, please give this video a like. If you're interested in looking and feeling your best and exploring natural solutions, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!